Hello, Fast Forwards 289 back again. Today we're going to be changing the light bulb in this AM/FM radio. This is an original radio. Now obviously if you don't have an original radio, this video does not apply to you, but if you have an original AM radio or AM/FM radio or even AM 8-track, AM/FM 8-track, whatever the case may be, if it's a radio like this, push button original, this video applies to you. So, change the light bulb. I already unplugged it. There's a piece right here, and that clips in there. A bulb goes in right there, and it clips into the radio. These are the bulbs I got for it. It actually, let's see if I can get it to clear up here. There's Sylvania's. And it's part number 1893. It's actually supposed to be 1892, but they don't make them no more. This is the next closest thing. So I'm gonna put this in there, and hopefully we'll have light again. And